Hello, good afternoon everyone. As promised just now, today I'm getting really excited because I have read a news from the newspaper of 𝗀𝗀. Actually, in fact, not only 𝗀𝗀, I have read so many newspapers this morning, and I found out that there's a breaking news from all over the different newspaper that I realized that they have posted one latest news about this COVID-19. Okay, so I open this live so that to share some knowledge about what I have learned and what I've read this morning. So what I've read is from the newspaper of 𝗀𝗀 this morning, saying that the COVID-19 virus may have the same effect like HIV virus. So what does it mean? The effect actually is this COVID-19 may have the effect that the virus is actually attacking one of the important cell in our body, which is called T cell. So what is this T cell? This T cell is actually a very important of our sequential of whole immune system in our body. Okay, so let's see. Today today what I'm sharing is this immune system, how it functions. Actually, I have compiled from different articles and also my previous knowledge, which I have graduated from University of Tasmania. So, and the news that you can actually saw later, I'll share the link that according to University of Bristol, one of their study, okay, when our body is being attacked, invaded by the virus, whatever virus it is, same goes to COVID-19 when it goes to our body, goes into our body. So what happened? You can imagine, this is, let's say, this is the virus. This is the COVID-19 virus. So once it goes into our body, what happened is the Pac-Man-like cell in our body, which is called macrophages. Macrophages will sense the virus and actually engulf it and eat it. So when you eat it, what happened is it will secrete many of the different enzyme and attacking weapon, so-called weapon, to actually destroy the virus. Once it gets destroyed, whatever information, DNA, RNA of the virus will be actually exposed. Exposed to who? Exposed to the soldiers. What are the soldiers? T cell. Let's say this is the T cell. So this Pac-Man light will actually expose all the viruses' DNA to let T cell recognize. So when the T cells recognize, what it will do, T cell will actually wakes up the B cell. When B cell wakes up, B cell will actually produce a very long-term memory of our immune system. So it will actually produce more antibody within our body to attack back this virus. Okay, so this is what happened. And at the same time, this T cell, besides of waking up B cell, and this T cell will actually activate more of the macrophages, so that more and more of the macrophages will come out and do work and engulf and eat up more of the virus with the same virus. Okay, so today is really important because this information I got it from different articles, different medical articles, and one of the very clear articles I read this morning is from University of Bristol in UK. Okay, and of course in cooperation with what I have known about immune system, because I got a high distinction in my University of Tasmania. So it's really important because just imagine today when our Pac-Man send a signal to T cell. T cell will do all the work, all the coordination. But the thing is, if let's say whatever is mentioned by the scientists, especially the team from Shanghai and New York team, they told to the world that this COVID-19 may have the same effect, meaning that it will actually attack T cell. Attack T cell until this T cell has what is different between HIV virus and COVID-19 is COVID-19 doesn't replicate within T cell, but instead of that, this COVID-19 will actually die together with T cell. Means that it bursts and actually T cell managed to kill the virus together with its, it sacrificed itself together with the virus. So you can actually think that it is really, really important for our body to have a good immune system. We always say good immune system. What I say, good immune system, meaning that our body condition has to up to the standard that so that our macrophages, remember, this is our macrophages which eat up all the pathogen, all the bad cell, okay, all the virus, bacteria, we need to have a healthy macrophage together so that this macrophage can activate more of the T cell, more of this T cell, and that's why can keep B cell awake, and this T cell can wake up more of the macrophages. So we can see this is the whole sequential of our immune system. Of course, it is much complicated than that, but today I want to let we all know that, everyone know that this is what I read, and this is the true facts that how our immune system works. So be aware that today we must have a healthy body condition to combat with whatsoever viruses or bacteria, so that we can stay safe. And of course, before I end my sharing today, I really urge everybody to stay home, to stay safe, and to stay healthy. All right. So stay tuned at my next live, because I'm thinking that some of you may not understand in English. So later on, I'll present the same thing. I'll talk about the same thing in Mandarin as well as in Cantonese. All right. So stay tuned. I hope you guys are eating well, taking good food. Okay, so that to keep our immune system up to the standard, to keep our macrophages awake, to keep our T cell and B cell awake. All right. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you guys. Bye.